Hi everyone, my name is Monica. I'm a qualified Australian makeup artist and beauty therapist with 15 years experience in beauty industry. And today I'm going to talk and demonstrate how to use this device. It's called infrared LED beauty face massager. This device uses LED infrared photon therapy, so it's good to promote the anti-aging. The light penetrates into the deeper layer of your skin and gently warm massage the skin cells. So what's in the box? It comes with the device itself, of course, and this one is the base charger, the wall plug, and the charger cable. The first feature is deep penetrating light. The device has 24 LED lights. The lights penetrate deep into the skin to enhance the elasticity. The next feature is LED infrared technology. It hits the skin to improve blood circulation, rejuvenate the skin, and improve product absorption. This device is really good to promote blood circulation, rejuvenate the skin, relax and soothe the muscles, and tighten and firm the skin. Just make sure your device is fully charged. You can charge it directly, or you can use the base charger. And to turn on the device, just press this button. And this button to choose the feature that you would like. The blue color, this is for the LED lights. The red color, it gives you really nice and warm feeling. And the other thing about this device, it's activate when it touches the skin. Before you use this device, make sure you have clean face and dry it properly. And turn on the device, choose the feature, the one that you like. You can use just the LED light, or you can choose with the infrared as well for the warm feeling, and just do circular motion all over the face, and that's it. This device works effective for everyone, especially who got tight muscle around the jawline area or on the face, and it's really good for people who got concerns for anti-aging. This device is safe to use every day, 15 to 20 minutes per day. You can clean this device using a clean cloth, or you can sterilize it using an alcohol swab. My favorite feature of this device is the magnetic head here, so it won't turn on until it touches your skin, which is really good for people who got sensitive eyes. So when you do the face, it won't turn on if it doesn't touch your face. The heat is 42 degrees Celsius, which is warm enough to relax and soothe your muscles. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any questions, please visit our website for more information. And don't forget to follow us on our social media, including our Facebook group. We have live videos weekly and exclusive promotions as well.